Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move Figma draft files to a team project. This is incredibly useful when you've been working on something solo and you're ready to collaborate with your team or simply want to organize your files better. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, open your Figma application. Once it launches, you'll land on the dashboard, which serves as your central hub for accessing all your files and projects. This is where you'll manage everything related to your design workflow. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with various sections. Click on Drafts. This section houses all the files you've been working on individually, files that haven't yet been assigned to any specific team or project. It's essentially your personal workspace within Figma. Once you're in the Drafts section, browse through your files to find the draft file you want to move to a team project. When you locate it, right-click on the file. A context menu will appear with several options for managing that file. From this menu, click on Move File. This action opens up the file relocation interface, allowing you to transfer your draft to a more collaborative space. Next, you'll be presented with a list of available destinations. This is where you can see all your team projects and folders. Click on the team project where you want to move the draft file. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct destination, especially if you have multiple teams or projects set up. Choosing the right location now will save you time reorganizing later. After you've selected the destination team project, you'll notice a button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click on Move. This finalizes the transfer, and your draft file will immediately relocate from your personal draft section to the team project you specified. The file is now accessible to your team members, and you can begin collaborating seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Figma draft file to a team project, making it easier to work with others and keep your workspace organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.